Hi everyone, this is Yoko. 皆さんこんにちは、Yoko です。Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday. In the last video, we looked at how to use まで as by a certain time or before a certain time, attaching までに or までには to a noun, time reference. Today, we're going to look at how to attach までに or までには to verbs. Let's get right into it. First example, 晩ご飯を食べるまでに宿題を終わらせなければいけません。I have to finish my homework by the time I eat dinner. 晩ご飯を食べるまでに宿題を終わらせなければいけません。Next example, 暑くなるまでにはエアコンが欲しいです。Before it gets hot, I want to get an air conditioner. When you use までには, you can emphasize the time limit. 暑くなるまでにエアコンが欲しいです。Before it gets hot, I want an air conditioner. 暑くなるまでにはエアコンが欲しいです。Before it gets hot, I want an air conditioner. Alright, how was it? Thank you for watching and see you next time. それではまた次回お会いいたしましょう。さようなら。